what's going on, everybody? Zeekman here. We are in Tokyo, Japan. We are going to go into this building, the Kabukicho Tower. It's the newest building built here in Tokyo, and it's got some cool stuff inside. There's this one place that I want to show you definitely inside. So let's go. So here we are, Kabukicho Tower. We're gonna go up, I think, just one floor, and I want to show you this gaming room. With all these screens everywhere, they're like 4D. Everything looks like they're floating. Really super high def. All right, we'll head on up. So this place is really cool. The first floor is all restaurants and bars. Everyone's here. Everyone comes, hangs out, and eats and drinks, and I don't know, maybe we'll get something here after, but there is music. So you gotta be careful of copyright. Oh, it's a live band. Very, very busy. It's pretty awesome. So we're gonna go up one more flight of stairs. If you notice, everyone stands on the left of these escalators, and it leaves space for people to walk up if you want to walk. So here's where we're gonna go. We're gonna go over here to Namco, Tokyo. So Namco is the main supplier of anime here in Japan. So this place is pretty cool. It's got a lot of like vending machines. It's got a lot of like cool games. See, over here you can win like anything. And this one, it's just like a little necklace with some apple tea, milk tea, like a little thing on your neck. It's like 300 yen. So to give you an idea, $1 is about 130 yen. So it's like $2, $3. These 500, just, you know. Look at all of these, isn't it crazy? Then we get into some more like claw games over here. You got some pretty big prizes. Look at this, one shot. Some pretty big prizes. It looks like anime, like statues, maybe. So many. Chainsaw Man. We go into over here, the big claw game. Oh, you win! It's cute.
It's so cute. And you want to pay?
Oh, no, no, no. Okay, we have someone playing. The big claw. Looks like he's going for the teddy bear. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Oh. Not this time. See you. And then it comes into like an arcade in the front. More vending machines. This is pretty cool. It's like a drum game. Nice job. Virtual reality. And then of course, up front, you got a little cafe. You get some drinks, some beer. Up here they have another nice little bar area. I assume you could play or sing. Oh, DJ. So. And a store. This is the food court from when we walked in. That's where the band is gonna play. Got a Target in the back. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Empty. And then, of course, we're gonna finish it up here. They got some more vending machines. This is a different kind of one. You gotta like pick it off the string. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little arcade video here. I thought it was a cool place. I saw this the other day and I was like, oh, that would make a cool video for the Travel Channel, something different, something for you guys to check out here in Tokyo. It's right in Shinjuku in the Kabukicho Tower. You can't miss it. It's up on the 2nd floor. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. I want to remind you, I have a second channel, Zeekman Eats. You guys should check that out. There'll be a lot of Japanese food videos also. Thanks, guys. I'll see you later.